Oh my God. Nicole, this is a monster. Hold on. Hang on to him. Hang on to him. Oh my God. Nicole, you got a monster. Oh my God, let's get over here on the bank. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. What a fish. Oh my God. Guys, let's put this on the board. Lord have mercy, what a fish.
Oh, is it 20? Whoa.
Nicole, it's 19 and a half. 3 pounds, 3 pounds, 5 ounces. 3 pounds,
Oh, beautiful.
19 and a half. All right, guys, one last look at Nicole's fish. 19 and a half inches, 3 pounds what? 3.5?
3.5.
Beautiful fish, let's let him go. Man, what a fish. Good job, Nicole. Look what a fish.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Oh yeah.